In this video, I will be showing you how to reset iQOO Z11x 5G to factory default settings. Currently, it is running on Origin OS 6. The procedure will be same for all Vivo and iQOO phones. So let's see how to do that. Before doing factory reset, make sure you take the complete backup of your phone. Then only continue to this next step. After taking the backup, go to settings, click on system management. Under system management, you can see reset. Click on reset. Now you have three options: reset network settings, reset all settings, and erase all data. Click on erase all data, and also it will show you the IDs linked to this phone. Simply click on erase, enter the passcode or lock if you have set any. Before clicking on erase, make sure you have taken the complete backup of your phone. Then only click on erase. I have done the complete backup. Then only I am going to this next step. Click on erase. Once you click on erase, everything on your phone will be deleted. Now your phone will restart. Clearing data, don't use the device. Now you can see that everything on the phone is erased. Now it is showing to set up the phone again. So that's it guys. In this way you can do factory data reset of your iQOO and Vivo phones. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.